Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView app step by step. First, download the app from your app store and create an account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Start by adding assets to your watch list to keep an eye on their performance. This helps you quickly access the charts for stocks, crypto, or forex pairs you're interested in. It's a great way to organize your TradingView. Now, let's dive into the charts. Tap on any asset in your watch list to open its full-screen chart. Here, you can change the time frame from 1 minute to 1 month and switch between different chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts. Explore the indicator menu to add powerful technical analysis tools like the Relative Strength Index or Bollinger Bands to enhance your analysis. TradingView offers robust drawing tools to help you analyze price action. You can draw trend lines, identify support and resistance zones, and even add text notes directly onto your charts. Don't forget to set price alerts. These notifications will inform you when an asset hits your target price, ensuring you never miss a potential trading opportunity. Saving your layouts keeps your workspace organized. Beyond charting, TradingView is a vibrant community. Explore the Ideas section to see analyses and forecasts shared by thousands of traders worldwide. You can also publish your own trading ideas, complete with charts and explanations, to receive feedback and engage in discussions. It's an excellent way to learn from others and refine your own trading strategies, fostering a collaborative environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.